She has the comet sitting in the window.
She's barking at us the one day.
Oh, really?
What's the name of it?
It's under on my channel. I'd have to write it down for you guys.
Write it down. Yeah, do that
What's your
before
account name? That's what
I'm trying to remember. Hey, that's a comet. Close up. Sasha with mom. And who's up there?
But
Coda. And we got Moki and the kitty with Abby. Blue.
you just had ice cream.
Janessa's puppy, Nana.
That ain't so bad, huh, Brian?
And Katie May.
Katie May. And Kelly's back here. Hey, who's the kitty sneaking up on her? Abby. There you are.
Short, tubby one's like Katie, so he's a really good breeding boy. He is.
He's a pretty boy.
Katie
Puppies
may
over
wouldn't have
there.
necessarily Ideally been a typical breeder.
He's always been a
She's
really good
little.
stud dog.
No, she's fine.
They breed them even smaller with small males,
I was
but
surprised because she was little. That's why we took her.
And by the way, this has volume, guys, so it's going to be hearable.
Yeah, our camera's like a TV.
Both of them in before I let them
As
breed.
soon as we're checked for everything.
And the neighborhood friends. Hey, Coda. Yep, friends, family. Better shot of Kelly. What?
Okay, the door's shut.
Yep.
Good.
Nice shot of Abby.
Yeah, there's
He
two
thinks
cats.
he's a puppy.
Two cats inside it.
Well, he's got blue eyes like them and white. He says, I'm a puppy too. I think so.
And there's that
he's
guy
laying
again.
down in there
Oh.
in the flower bed. He thinks he's all
With
pretty.
Katie May.
Take a picture of me, he says.
Him and Katie were hanging out over there.
Who?
Well, Donna.
It's a puppy pack.
He's like, yeah, right, Mom. This is way too fun. Comment. Hi, Coda.
There goes Moki. Hey.
Look how pretty they are next to each other.
I know.
He's gonna have he's gonna be gorgeous. His legs will get a little longer.
That's what I'm hoping.
He's not gonna be stubby. But I mean, look at Coda, how pretty he walks. He's a gorgeous,
He
specimen.
bulks out.
The beautiful mom.
Coda is he's lengthy for a
Mom and grandmom.
He loves to
Mom, grandma with the nephew.
Milky Milk.
What's he, Callie? Good thing, Callie, mama girl.
Hey, Sasha.
I'm Milky Milky.
I haven't gotten to see him yet, Mr. Matthew. I'll go sit on your freaking lap. Milky, Milky, come here. Milky, Milk, come here, Milky. You know your name, cute boy. Oh my gosh, you're so big. You're big.
Racing dogs. Playing puppies.
No kiss. Good boy. No kiss. No more. You're training. There's a blanket. No. Okay, hold on. No more kissing. No kissing.
Put him off of you when you say no.
I put his head down and he says okay.
Get him, Callie.
No.
Get him, Callie.
Put it back.
It's a dog race.
Get him. Oh, run. He's so pretty.
Comet's such a shy puppy.
Comment.
Give him time.
And he acts like the biggest and meanest.
Sasha's hiding under you right now.
Sasha. Is there lots of puppies?
Katie May.
Come here, Sasha.
Katie May, come.
They were playing and cheering on earlier.
And Sasha.
Hey.